Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps find relief from acid reflux. Understanding its impacts can significantly improve your quality of life. Managing heartburn may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and actions, you can lead a comfortable, pain-free life. In this video, we'll explore essential tips for controlling acid reflux, focusing on practical strategies and empowering you to take charge of your health, ensuring you enjoy every moment. Think of your digestive system like a well-oiled machine. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid moves upwards, causing discomfort. Aging can affect how well the lower esophageal sphincter works, making reflux more common. But don't worry. By recognizing changes and understanding how your body reacts, you're already on the right path. Gaining insight into these processes will arm you with the knowledge to prevent symptoms from disrupting your daily activities. Let's discuss what signs to watch for with acid reflux. Common symptoms include a burning sensation in the chest, difficulty swallowing, and a sour taste in your mouth. It's important to be observant of what triggers these episodes. Monitoring patterns helps you respond effectively. Just remember, experiencing these occasionally is normal, but persistent symptoms are a cue to seek guidance. Awareness is your greatest ally in managing reflux successfully. Nutrition plays a key role in managing acid reflux. Start by incorporating oatmeal, bananas, and leafy greens into your diet. These foods are gentle on the stomach. Avoid late-night meals and aim for smaller portions throughout the day to reduce pressure on your digestive system. Remember, what works best may vary, so experiment with different options until you find what suits you. Eating mindfully can significantly alleviate symptoms and enhance your comfort. Staying active is crucial but requires mindful adjustments. Walking after meals can be beneficial, helping digestion and reducing reflux episodes. Gentle exercises like yoga or tai chi can improve your posture, which in turn may minimize reflux. Always start slowly and listen to your body's signals. Your physical health is interconnected with your digestion, so finding enjoyable and feasible activities contributes to overall well-being. Regular health checkups are essential in managing acid reflux effectively. Consult your healthcare provider to discuss any persisting symptoms or concerns. Medication may be prescribed, so it's important to understand both the benefits and any potential side effects. Partnering with your doctor ensures you receive personalized care, enabling you to approach your health needs with confidence. Prioritizing your medical visits plays a significant role in maintaining balance. The impact of managing reflux goes beyond just physical relief. It enhances mental and social well-being too. When you're not bogged down by discomfort, your mood improves. Engage in social activities, spend time with friends, or join community clubs. Keeping social connections strong is vital for emotional resilience. Foster a positive attitude by celebrating small victories, creating a support system to uplift your spirits. By now, you have a toolkit packed with information and strategies to manage acid reflux effectively. Take small steps today, like adjusting your meals or adding a post-dinner walk. Reinforce your resolve by tracking improvements and celebrating every success. You possess the wisdom and the power to shape your health journey positively. Stay committed, stay informed, and embrace each new day with renewed vigor and confidence.